Hello, I'm in a 2013 Ford C-Max, and today I'm going to show you to turn on and off your heated seats. So from the center here, you should see these little spin icons here. If it's on 0, then it's off, and then it's all the way to a max of 5, so that's max heat. And then, same with the passenger side. But yep, so you just look for these icons in your vehicles, and that'll change it. And then obviously to test it, just see if your butt's getting warm when it's on after a little bit with the vehicle on. If it's not working, first I check fuses. Sometimes the fuse burns out and that might short this out. If there's no fuses, you could check under the seats, make sure nothing is disconnected or loose. That would be the next most likely. And then occasionally, if say you get a lot of moisture on the seats, sometimes that can burn out mechanisms like your airbag sensors or potentially something like this as well. But anyways, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.